I've been on road for the past 2.5 months. In India right now as I speak, we're losing 28 students to suicide. That's more than one student per hour per day. The moment you ask someone to go see a counselor, the first thing they say is like, I'm not crazy. Let's bring mental health education in schools. I started a petition to the Education Ministry on change.org, addressed to the Education Minister, Mr. Ramesh Pokhriyal, to incorporate a mandatory mental health curriculum in schools and non-graded curriculum for standard 9 to 12. Why I'm doing this walk is A, just to understand how it works on ground level, what's the idea of mental health, what are the requirements. B is to convince people. The basic question was that, okay, the campaigning is going on, but it was still online, right? So how do I reach out to the rural India? How do I reach out to people who do not have access to the internet, which is again more than 50% of India's population? So then I decided to walk the entire country. So on 16th of November 2020, I started walking from Kanyakumari. I walked through Tamil Nadu, then Karnataka, then Andhra Pradesh, then Telangana, then Maharashtra. Right now I'm in MP. As I'm walking, I'm talking to people, I'm talking to everyone. I'm talking to collectors, I'm talking to MLAs, I'm talking to people in the education department, schools, colleges, farmers, shopkeepers, anyone and everyone. I'm preparing a report as I go. My dream was to get into the NDA. Like by the time I was in 11th, 12th, I was crazy about NDA. I was someone who was very ambitious when I was in the academy. I thought that someday, I'll become a major general, a lieutenant general, maybe a general someday. And it all depends on your merit in the academy. On 28th January 2017, I suffered from a back injury during training, and the next 50 days were spent in the hospital bed. I got to know that I have a permanent spine deformity. My career ended in March 2017. My entire life shattered. It came crashing down. And there was this 1 week phase wherein I contemplated taking my life. I was going through my family's photograph. It was my parents' pictures from their previous year anniversary. I was being a hypocrite because all my life I had been training myself, preparing myself to fight battles. And there was a big battle right in front of me. And instead of fighting, I was planning an escape.
तो मैं उसके पास जाऊं, मैं उससे पूछूं कि क्या कोई दिक्कत है। हमने स्कूल में किया था कि हमें अगर कुछ पसंद नहीं था, अगर ये टीचर पसंद नहीं है, या फिर अगर
And I realized that my purpose in life was to stand at the border and protect lives. What I realized was I could still be inside the border and save lives. That's wherein I got into mental health awareness actively. In a country like India, unless you bring a policy level change, the ground level, the ground reality will not change at all. What I'm doing is through this walk, I'm kind of connecting all of them together in a string, right? And I can only hope after one point that they acknowledge the importance of this, importance of a curriculum, and they actually put it in all the schools. So please be part of the movement. Please help me break the stigma. Please help me ring the alarm of the government and get their attention.